Yo, what is going on? This is Andrew, known as Zero Draw Drew, Pipcatcher Administration. Welcome back to another video. It is Friday, September 24th, 2021. We're here for another live call. If you're new to the channel, please hit that like button. Also smash the subscribe button. Keep us motivated to put this content out every single day. Alright, so let's get into it. So if you look at yesterday, the daily candles, we took out those rejections over here. We had the strong bullish impulse wave, and if you look overnight, we have been pulling back, and we pulled back to that 1.36700 key level, which is, this crown neck support line. But if you look within the trend, overall we do have a crown pattern. So yesterday's pump could have been a dump, but at the same time, we are at that 1.36700 support level, right? So overall, we do want to trade to the downside, because if you look at the daily, we are reading that crown, and I think that we do want to take out that support level overall. But it's not reading any signs of that on the hourly yet, right? So if you look on the hourly chart, we have been dumping all morning long, so yesterday's pump has been a dump, right? So we have to look for where buyers are going to be chasing the trade if we want to go for that sell opportunity. But at the same time, we have to pay attention that we are at that key level of 1.36680 right here, and that we took out that level right there. So there is a possibility that all sellers will get exhausted down here, and that we could find 5-minute bear traps to buy up to that U resistance, right? So let me explain. All the sellers' liquidity is down below this 1.36680 level. So all retail sellers are looking to sell below that level. All the buyers are looking to buy above this level. So once all the sellers are exhausted with this right here, we're going to look for that buy opportunity up into that level right there. But overall, we are down. So we might want to just wait for that bull trap above there. Once there's a wick here, and that wick is filled, we could short back down to this level right here where this trend line is. Since we have been dumping all morning, I think we're going to continue to dump, considering we are bearish on the daily chart. So there is a possibility that this is taken out, but we do have to keep in mind of this key level right here and just really react to what we see down here. Okay, so it is 8:40 right now. We're going to give it a little bit more time. We need more data before making any decisions. Like I said, that 8 o'clock hour is when we typically see manipulation. So we'll be back in 15 to 30 minutes when we have more data. Let's go. So like I said, all buy liquidity above this 880 level, all seller liquidity below this 680 key level. So we'll be back when the trade sets up, and we'll see you then. Let's go. As you can see, it's 9 o'clock right now. We're going to wait for sellers to become fully exhausted. Then we're going to trade towards this buyer's liquidity right up here. We got a little bit more time. I feel like we're going to take out the lows completely, maybe dip below here. We'll see. We need to wait for price action to set up, wait for the trade to confirm, and then we'll enter that buy up to that level right there. Let's go, baby. We'll be back in a few. Alright, guys, we just smashed the buy. Our target is up here. We'll be back when that thing hits. Let's go. And then we're going to look for the shorts when we get that bull trap up there, and then we short when we get a bull trap here back into value. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. As you can see, we're running 15 pips. We're going to target this U right here. Let's go, baby. Alright, guys, that is it for this trade. Now we're going to wait for things to cool off. We're going to wait for, the buy trap above this level. I see a little bit more upside. We could probably push to that 850, maybe 900 key level. These shorts are about to get squeezed at this spot, so yeah, I do see a little bit more upside. We'll be back in about 15-30 minutes. We're not done for the day yet. Maybe we could get this short next hour. Excuse me. If price action sets up. So we'll be back. This is too easy. Let's go. As you can see, target is smashed at the 850 key level. This is where I see potential buy traps. So if that sets up, we're going to look for the short opportunity. Bulls are strong on the hourly chart, so we might close bullish. So we're going to come back at 10 o'clock. you know, this thing might just keep pushing up, It bounced pretty hard from support. So we're going to come back when this sets up. We'll see you then. Let's go. Alright guys, if this 5-minute candle takes out that level, we're going to take another short all the way back down to here, and then we're going to wait for a reaction there, and then take another one. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, bitch. Alright guys, we are dropping this short. We're going to try to enter at this 870, but we'll see. Let's get it. Alright guys, we're entering right now. We're going to hold it down. Let's see if we can get a fat rejection. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, by the way, we're only taking half of profits from the buy. You know, that way if we do lose, you know, it's no big deal. Let's go. Alright guys, target 1 is smashed. We're going to take half of the position right now. We're going to leave the rest to break even up there. We're going to come back in another 15 minutes to see where price is at, see how we react to this level retest right here. We might just continue to drop. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's fucking go, baby. Woo! Alright guys, we're calling it a day. We are done. We're gonna smash profits. This is where, you know, buyers can come back in. So we just want to stick around. We're done. We're gonna call it a good Friday. Let's go. This is an hour's work. We got what did we catch? We got out around here 6 to 8. So we got 20 pips on that, and then we took from 850 down to 750, so we took another 10 pips on that, so 35 pips on the day. Let's get it, guys. You know the deal. Let's go. We'll be back on Monday.